the Hurricanes were able to get an entry. It took them a while to get that attacking zone possession.
Quarterbacking out to center ice, Justin Faulk. Gaining entry, going wide. Laying it back now. Lindholm with a shot blocked on the way through and off of Corey Crawford. Duncan Keith. Stall, Nicholas Hjalmarsson on him. It's loose along the boards. Chris Versteeg for Chicago. Just inside his own line, out to center. Brian Bickle gets after it. Good anticipation, Danny Biega. Rask, Eric Staal. His shot fended off by Crawford. In control without his stick, Riley Nash. Interrupted by Brandon Saad. Saad, who scored in Chicago against Carolina. Back it goes for Roosevelt. He'll negotiate. Michael Roosevelt holding onto it. In deep. Saad in back of the goal. Off Khudobin, who has it. By Falk in support, Sharp. Deflected pass, finding Roosevelt. Michael Roosevelt spins one, blocked. Off Shaw. Sharp goes deep. Kruger in back of the goal. Shaw scores! Andrew Shaw in the dead slot. It's a beautiful pass, and Chicago strikes first.
Very similar to Brandon Prust being on the fourth line for Montreal the other night. When you can put Shaw, who is a net front presence among other things, and a guy that lives, breathes, never leaves the slot, as you can see here. When you can put him on your fourth line, you are in business. It's obviously a breakdown in coverage for Carolina. But this was in a tough one-sided loss.
Lays it along the wall. Sharp, a good pass for Marian Hossa. And it comes all the way back out. Jordan. Little force by Hjalmarsson. He'll feed it across. Hossa out in front. They score! Bang, bang! Patrick Sharp. Set up by Marian Hossa. 2-0 Chicago.
We just spoke about the defenseman and that key first pass. This wasn't on the tape, but Hjalmarsson, defenseman, leads Hossa. And really, both of these goals, you can look at the fact that Chicago's had more hunger. They're Sharp, not in the speediest fashion, but he wins a race.
When he comes together, Skinner has the puck. Poked off his stick. Falk tries to play it to himself. Nash losing his edge, back out to center. He takes a heavy hit. Joakim Nordstrom and Andrew Shaw all over Riley Nash. Chicago attempting to get it out. Teuvo Teravainen goes to work. The young thing, he's hit by Justin Falk. Roosevelt, wide open Keith. He'll delay, Duncan Keith. Holding onto it now all the way across. They set it up again, Keith controlling it. Arister, body down, Khudobin, forked wide by Jonathan Toews, who dives and pokes it back out to neutral ice.
When Jordan Staal was out with a broken leg, we talked about how it disrupted the way centermen were slotted for Carolina. Getting Vermette, as Stan Bowman, Chicago's general manager, did, allows you to put Richards on your third line.
Versteeg is in, shielded along by Khudobin. Patrick Dwyer, and the Hurricanes start over. Dwyer tied up by Bickle. Mikhail Jordan will get to it, and away they go.
See how short that stick is Jordan uses. Might have helped him on the goal if he used a longer stick. Might have gotten to Patrick Sharp. Now Jordan and Falk and Hainsey play against Toews. Hossa and Sharp have better matchup.
Nathan Gerby wide of Corey Crawford. Moving up, Biega. Brought out here by Patrick Sharp. Marian Hossa over the line, dangles, delays, his shot stopped by Khudobin. With that pass, it's carried out by Brandon Saad. Crisscrossing, he gets room, he'll walk in and rolls off his stick. Loose along the boards now, Nestrashil and Toews. Saad in back of the goal, Toews is there, shut down by Khudobin.
And they're going to take a look just to make sure that Khudobin's pad was not inside the net, to make sure that this spectacular save, the puck did not cross the line. I'm sure that's what the veteran Paul Dvorsky's looking at, talking to the video review room in Toronto about. Pipes the far post, but this was all about Saad, and then one up by Khudobin.
Yeah.
No, that's going to be, and I think Khudobin doesn't go in.
No goal, the puck never crossed the line.
Paul Dvorsky verifies that. Biega for Carolina. On the wall, Skinner by him. Out to the center zone, just about 90 seconds left in period one. Joakim Nordstrom on the off wing, shut down Khudobin. It's loose. Khudobin again got a piece. In control now. Alexander Semin. Net by Brian Bickle. He gets away, sets up a man. And Corey Crawford got a piece of it on the back door. Excellent chance that time for John Michael Lyles. Skinner blocked by Timonen and covered up by Corey Crawford. A loose puck at the line, and John Michael Lyles gets control. He'll hinge back out to center. Stahl's in. Eric Stahl alone. Shut down. They score! On the rebound, it's Victor Rask, and Carolina cuts the lead in half.
Okay, this is Lyles. Talk about a first pass in transition. Eric Stahl is at the far blue line. Just stays onside. I mean, barely stays onside. The linesman had the best vantage point. Corey Crawford makes a heck of a first save as Eric tries to open him up on the back.
They pop it out. Brad Richards now will fork it by Mikhail Jordan. Chicago changing on the fly.
Two of our game keys, a better second period than the Hurricanes have had in that first pass in transition. They've got both right now.
Jordan Stahl's shot answered by Corey Crawford. Patrick Sharp will gain center ice, move it by Murphy, and the Canes are on it. Jordan springs it in, Skinner's in, Chalmerson getting back. He takes the hit from Skinner, with a good play by Nicholas Chalmerson as he punches it out. Stick to it. Versteeg out of the corner, Timonen at the point. He'll wrist it along. Chris Versteeg grinds a cycle, holding onto it, shifting on Nestrashil. On the flank, Richards shut down. Hudobin loose in the crease. He'll cover.
We're seeing right now more than ever why Bill Peters really wanted to dress a group of defensemen that could move the puck in transition.
Good shot taken by Justin Falk, and Corey Crawford had to be sharp again. By Lindholm and back out. Victor Rask in control. He'll take a look. He'll spot a man. It's Eric Stahl. Defended by Seabrook. Lindholm in back of the net. Kimmo Timonen on him. This way it's Victor Rask. Falk at the point with a shot. Fought off by Crawford. The rebound. Victor Rask off a body. Through the blue and out. Or down out of the corner. Nash in good position. Riley Nash with just about 15 minutes gone in the second period. Here's Ryan Murphy. All the way across now. Chalmerson is on it.
Semin has found Skinner with two excellent passes.
Here come the Hawks. Shaw with a shot. Fought off by Hudobin. Nash a steal. It deflects off the skate. Here's Lyles up top. He'll lay it along by Semin. Chalmerson broken up by Skinner. Skinner holding onto it. Out in front off a body. Defended by Keith. Great pass to Lyles. His shot tipped. Good save Crawford. Nash with a chance stopped by Crawford. And Chicago takes a breath as they get it out. Kimmo Timonen lets it fly. It's deflected off of Bickle and wide. Loose to the corner now. The drifter with the broken stick on the ice for Steve. With help from Brad Richards. Richards, Bickle out in front. His shot answered by Hudobin, who dives out and covers with 62 seconds left in the period. Stahl grinding. The captain holding onto it. Inside it goes. It pinballs around. Skinner blocked. Taves had the block. Here comes Nordstrom. Shaw. Gaping net. That'll do it. Second goal tonight for Andrew Shaw.
Continue to press.
They have been pressing since we started period 2. Now Saad walks in for a shot, shut down. Hudobin, the rebound is blocked. Just a bevy of humanity in front of Hudobin. There he goes. Continue. Along the boards, dug out by Nash with help from Lyles. In the zone, Semin. Working Keith. He'll button hook. Wrist one. Caught off twice. Crawford has the rebound follow from Ron Hainsey. Jordan, back of the goal, spins off of Oduya. Centered by Hainsey. A backhander. Crawford says no. Loose out in front. Eric Stahl's shot stopped. Eric Stahl gets it back. He'll turn, hold on to it. Center one, mopped up by Seabrook, and Chicago will escape harm as they get it back out to center. Carolina triple teams that. They get it out, and here they come. Semin with a shot. It sails high over the top of Corey Crawford. Back out to center ice.
Boy, that puck exploded off of Semin's stick.
Here comes Falk. His shot stinging Crawford, who hangs on. Kirby shadows Dwyer. Off a body, blocked by Roosevelt. Golfed ahead by Keith and back out.
Yeah, that clearing attempt hit Martel, the referee's skate, led to a chance.
Here come the Canes. Pat Dwyer. Jordan Stahl. His shot stopped by Crawford.
salad shot off my tray, hit the seat in front of me, and slid under. And we had salad all over everyone's ankles. But
And we're just really lucky that we didn't impale Coach Peters, because Coach Peters was there talking to us when it happened. So we're very happy that he's okay.
Murphy holding onto it. To the flank it goes. It's Rask through the blue and out. This way Jordan. Mikhail Jordan. Ryan Murphy. Here it comes. Blocked. Stinging Rask. Jordan. One-timer Lindholm. Good save by Crawford. And Nordstrom moves it out. Hammered by Terry. Blocked by Vermette. Controlled. Held in by Lyles. Inside it's Jay McClement. He's tied up by Brent Seabrook. They grind along the boards. It kicks out as we see. Lyles with a shot picked off by Crawford. No further play. A lead pass. Lindholm dead center. He'll thread it in. Victor Rask going at Nicholas Hjalmarsson. It kicks around to the top of your screen. Sharp is there for Chicago. Gerby. Rask. A shot caught by Crawford.
Decided that he wanted to go to the West, and that's where he played in what is a factory for defensemen in this league with the Kelowna Rockets. He still lives there in the summer.
Justin Falk over the line, busting in a shot, taken fought off by Crawford. Hack and whack time, covered by Corey Crawford. And write a player off even at that age. And the beauty of this sport is you're never out of it. Don't give up. Lindholm with a shot blocked by Roosevelt. It kicks across to Hossa. Here they come. Patrick Sharp over the line. His shot caught off by Hudobin.